Installing Adobe DC software and digital signature instructions. On your desktop, you should see the Software Center icon. If you don't see the icon on your desktop, go to the Start button and select the folder named Microsoft Endpoint Manager and click on the Software Center icon. There you can see the applications available to you. Click on Adobe Acrobat DC. Click on Install. The installation may take several minutes, and we recommend not having any other software open during the installation process. Once the installation is complete, we recommend to restart your computer. Supervisor Instructions, Digital Signature. So here I do have a test evaluation for classified staff. I scroll to the bottom and see the signatures where the field needs to go. You click on More Tools, find the Prepare Form, and you click on Single File and Start, and it automatically populates the signature fields. As the supervisor, you will need to sign above the signature of Raider. If you don't see the signature field, with your mouse right-click and select Cut. Select icon on top and drag it to the signature of Raider. Rename the field name as Signature of Raider. Once you are done renaming the field name, you may click Close. Click on Signature of Raider. You configure Digital ID. You create a new digital ID if you don't have one on file. Save to Windows Certificate Store. You enter your name and your email address and click Save. You can press Continue once you verify your name. And you can see a preview of your digital signature. Click Sign. It will ask you to save the document, and I chose to save it as signed, test evaluation signed. And it will populate, your signature will populate into the document. Write the date and save the evaluation form to email it to your employee. Some employees may refuse to sign the evaluation form. Therefore, you will open the evaluation form, click on the comment icon, and write Employee refuse to sign with your initials. Once you are done, you may save the evaluation form and email it to HR.